fat boy? Meow. Hi. Right where you normally are, by your food bowl. Huh, fatty? You're a good boy. Here's my fat boy. Here's my fat boy. Hi. Yes. You're so soft. You're so soft. And you shed everywhere. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You show me your tummy? You want to show me your tummy? Huh? You want to show me your tummy? Huh? Henry, you going to show Mama your tummy? Huh? Yes. Look at that big belly. Look at that big belly. Henry's a polydactyl. He's got thumbs. Yes, you do. Mitten foot. Yes. You're a big boy. Yes, you are. Louie, playing with the bag over there. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes. Henry meows when I sneeze. Achoo. Normally he does. You gonna talk to Mama? Achoo. Yes, you're a good boy.